Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar Canadian dollar. Okay, and as you can see here, okay, I had a trend line here. Okay, I was expecting that market will bounce from here, but honestly speaking, I was not expecting this kind of a bounce. Anyways, as we all know, after the FOMC meeting, okay, their US dollar became very strong. Okay, US dollar became very strong, and there was huge sell off or huge selling pressure on currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, and on currency pairs like USD CAD, USD JPY, there was good buying pressure. Okay, and still we can see that US dollar is very strong for the day because this is the currency strength meter and this is the daily chart. So we can see that US dollar is still standing tall in comparison to other currency pairs. So therefore, considering the present condition of US dollar, okay, we should only look for buying opportunities. Because see, if I zoom out and take you to the overall trend, okay, we can see that overall the trend trend was towards the downside. Market was in a downtrend. After that, we all know that USD CAD was in a particular range, and I have already clearly explained in my previous videos why market took support at this particular level, so I'm not going in detail. Okay, and as I always say, okay, we can only consider a trend reversal if we get a V pattern in a downtrend market or an inverted V pattern in an uptrend market. And right now we can see that yes, somewhat we have got the V pattern. Okay, so right now we can consider this as a trend reversal, and yes, we should now look for buying opportunities only. And considering the present position of US dollar, it will be very foolish if we look for selling opportunities. Therefore, considering these factors, we will look for buying opportunities only. Okay, and I would like to take you to the weekly chart once. If you are watching my videos for the first time, then you must know that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis. Okay. Okay. So this is the weekly chart, and as we all know, market was standing at the support from the 2017, and yes, this level is extremely important. Okay, and apart from this, we do not have any particular support or resistance level. And if we look at the monthly chart, okay, then in the monthly chart we can see that there was a support on the monthly chart, and yesterday market has crossed the support. Okay, and right now we can see that market is trading above the support on the monthly chart as well. So all the things are very positive. All If we consider all these factors, then we can come to the conclusion that though market was under the influence of sellers, but right now in this present scenario, market is being dominated by buyers. Okay, therefore we will look for buying opportunities. So let's switch to the our original favorite 4 hours time frame and see what should be our strategy. So considering this big up move or big red candle, okay, if you're thinking that you should go for a buy right now or right away, then this is not the ideal position. Let me tell you clearly, because see, just look at the position of stochastic RSI. You can see that stochastic RSI is an overbought zone. So if you go for a buy here, okay, if you go for a buy here, then your risk to reward ratio does not match, because if you buy here, your stop loss will be here. Don't you think your stop loss is too much? Okay, so your risk to reward ratio does not match. And as I always say, never ever compromise with the trading discipline. Therefore, this is not the ideal position. So your only ideal position in this market will be wait for a pullback or wait for the retracement. For that, okay, for that, keep your eyes on the stochastic RSI. Right now it is in overbought zone. it is an oscillating indicator. It will come down. It will come down to the oversold zone. When it will be going up again from the oversold zone, just look at the position of the price. Okay, if you see the price taking support at this trend line, okay, you can also draw this trend line in your charting software or in your trading platform in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, if you see market taking support at this trend line and bouncing, then this is your golden spot. This will be your golden spot to grab USD CAD. On the other hand, okay, if you see market um, bouncing in the middle, okay, from here or here, then also you can take a risk of buying USD CAD. But it must be very clear to you that yes, it is a retracement. Okay, and you will get the confirmation in the form of a hammer or a price rejection from below or a green candle like this. On the other hand, you can also switch to the 1 hour time frame. Generally, I mainly consult the 4 hours time frame being my favorite, but but right now in the USD CAD chart, 1 hour time frame is also equally important, because this is the 1 hour time frame, and again I'm saying that this is not the ideal position to buy here. Again, wait for the pullback or wait for the retracement. So when market will be coming down for retracement, there is a possibility. One possibility is that it will come down and take support at the trend line on the 4 hours chart, or it may take support at this 50 moving average. You can see that 50 moving average is also going up. So if market takes support at the 50 moving average and bounces, then also you can go for a buy order. But keep in mind that confirmation is always important. It doesn't matter how strong US dollar is, confirmation is always important. And again, confirmation will be in the form of a hammer, price rejection from below, or a green candle like this. Once you get a confirmation that yes, market has taken support at the trend line or the 50 moving average, then you can go for a buy order. Otherwise, do not go for a buy order. On the other hand, if stochastic RSI, okay, if stochastic RSI comes down to the overbought zone, oversold zone, and you see that market has not come down to the 50 moving average, or market has not retraced at all. Okay. Yes, there are instances when market does not retrace at all. Just market will lie flat. Okay, market will just lie flat here. Then you'll get the confirmation that yes, market is under so much under the bullish pressure that market does not want to retrace. Then you can also go for a buy order in case market crosses the highest point, the highest candle in front of you. Right now in front of us, this is the highest candle. Let's assume that stochastic RSI has come down to the oversold zone and it is ready to go up again. But market did not go down, rather market stayed here, market stayed flat. Then we can go for a buy order once market crosses this particular level. Okay, you can also draw this line in your trading software. Okay, right now I am just showing you in the 1 hour time frame. You can also draw it in your own preferred time frame, like 4 hours 30 minutes. That's completely up to you. So these are the trading possibilities on US dollar Canadian dollar chart right now. Yes, due to FOMC statement, things have changed, levels have changed, so be very careful. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.